Hello everyone, welcome to part 80 of Dr. Wayne Dyer's amazing 101 Way to Transform Your Life series, talking through this part 80. And here he's saying, after last time when we were talking about how we don't need to show up anybody else, he's saying this time we don't actually have to fight anybody else, okay? We are not going up against other people, we're not going to beat them, we don't need to have that kind of inclination that we naturally have. That egoically we have that need to be better than others. And this time he's saying that whenever we're for something, that empowers us. Whenever we're against something, that disempowers us. So when we're offended by some fact, usually the case when somebody's doing better than us at something, then we take that offended thing and we're like, how could the world be like this? How could this bad thing happen? Instead of just accepting it for the way it is. When we are against stuff, when we're doing the, oh, this is bad, this is bad, this is bad, we're acting from the negative. And acting from the negative can never give us a positive as a result, okay? Emotionally, that can just never work. So we always need to act from the positive. There's the whole phrase, I believe, going back to Mother Teresa saying, I will never go to an anti-war rally, but I'll go for a, pro-peace rally. That it's about going for things we're for, not for things we're against. When we're against things, those just make us feel bad, pull into the ego, not the subconscious mind. They take the power away from us, make us more negative, and then the result can never be good. Versus when we're for things, when we're for pushing on the positive side, then those things empower us, those make us stronger. And that is such an important thing. When people play to win, that's when they win. They don't win when they play to not lose. That's basically it for part 80 here. I will see you guys next time with part 81, so stay tuned.